This video is our introduction to HTML video, and we're going to talk about opening and closing comments. So comments are an essential part of development, and what it doesn't actually render anything out onto the actual website or the web code that through the browser, but it's another way to keep track of what's happening within your HTML code. So as we can see here, we've got some HTML code. We've got the opening and closing tags. We've got some line breaks in there, some hyperlinks. These are all from previous videos. So if we wanted to add in some comments, this is more just of a guide to use as a developer. And anything between the opening and closing comment area gets grayed out. As we can see, when we opened up that comment area, all of this got grayed out and it was no longer visible in the preview area. So if we had to enter in a comment that here from below this particular spot, we want to have links to our menu. So what this does is, as we can see, it doesn't actually put out anything within this area. So the browser will come through, it'll read the code as usual. It'll go body, it'll see this code as paragraph code, anything in between, hit the line breaks, hit the heading tags, hit the hyperlinks, and then when it comes to this part here, even though it's between the H6 tag, so it's even between the heading tag, it hits the line break. So it sees everything as between these two H6 tags as heading 6. It still sees the comments as grayed out. And this is just another way to serve as a guide for if you're developing code, if you've got a particular space that you need to enter in and you need to use the spacing for, that you can make that particular comment. So it's just a notes, comments, a way to indicate what you are doing within the code. So if another coder comes and looks at this code, they can say, okay, well, this is what the reason for all of these links that were sitting here. This was what it was intended for. And as we can see here, when we do render it out, there is nothing within this space. The comments are hidden, although they just get ignored, the same as the white space would get ignored in HTML when it renders it out. Thanks a lot for watching. We've got some more great videos coming up, so please subscribe, as well as we look forward to any comments or questions.